Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. So yeah, this is my after work look. Yes. So just got home from work. Actually taod-taod kay syempre dili ba ya advisable nga mabasa ang atong lawas. Hindi kan talakaw kay mapasma daw ta. So yeah, taod-taoran after I got home from work. So the reason why in aron ko nag-share ninyo sa product is because the very last product for my miracle set is none other than our night cream. But before I go into that, I'm just going to share to you the products that I used sa hapon before I went to work. Of course, I started off with cleanser, Timewise Repair, Volufirm Foaming Cleanser, and of course the cleanser for our miracle set, our Age Minimize 3D 4-in-1 cleanser. After that, we also used the Day Cream Age Minimize 3D Day Cream SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. And of course, our Timewise Repair Volufirm Day Cream with SPF 30 still. And of course, we also use the eye cream, Age Minimize 3D eye cream. And as just would like to flex my cosmetic bag, transparent cosmetic bag. Yeah, wala akong gibutangan sa akong mga Pampa Beauty. Alright, and of course our satin lip spa, our Shea sugar scrub and Shea butter balm. Okay, and after that is our matte 3D foundation. With the use of my blending brush still. Okay. And of course, my volumizing brow tint. Okay. And my Biscotti Chromafusion eyeshadow. And to complete my look, I used for today Mary Kay Athley Matte Liquid Lip Color, and the color of this is Pink Shock. Yep, Pink Shock. And kung ako sa office, of course, mag-retouch man dito tanong, but for me, no need to retouch. Kinila akong gigamit. The Beauty Blotter Oil Absorbing Tissue. Okay, so without further ado, I will now introduce to you the very last product once again for our miracle set, the night cream. So once again, Timewise Age Minimize 3D night cream. So to tell you more information about it, still the same, it's a combination to oily skin. This effective non-greasy cream re-energizes skin's natural youthful glow and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It works during skin's natural replenishing cycle and features our patent-pending Age Minimize 3D complex and healthy skin promoting Japanese apricot extract, and it will moisturize our skin for 12 hours. Okay, so how to use this? Simple. In the evening, smooth onto face and neck after cleansing. So of course, I already used our Age Minimize 3D facial cleanser. And we will now try the night cream. Okay, para makabit yung rest na punta. Of course, this is just for demonstration purposes. Sa iyong kahumot, as in, therapeutic kayo siya. Makatabang sa siya og katulog. Alright, so after applying the night cream, of course, don't forget the eye cream. Okay, morning and evening this siya. Was it the same? Gani lang. Nagana. It will already do what it's supposed to do. It will already deliver its purpose. It will already defend our skin from aging and delay the aging process. Alright, so refresh na ang skin and my face is now ready to rest. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and once again, don't forget to like my videos, leave a comment, and of course share my video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I would like to shout out to my friend Paulo Mercurio. He shared to me a lot of good tips on how to improve and enhance my channel. First of all, my comment section. I have been asking you to leave a comment. However, little did I know nga dili day active ang akong comment section. So sorry about that. And because of my friend's honesty to help me with my channel, so that is his main contribution for me. And also on how to edit my videos, like put an intro video before the video proper, or add a thumbnail to it. So little by little, parihapod sa ako ang face, may tsura siya, no? And yeah, thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. And don't forget to praise and worship God every day, every moment of our lives. So bisa no unsa ka busy, no? Even though kung unsa man gani ang results sa atong day, even though kadlaw na ta maabot, it is not an excuse for not praying unto God. We owe it all to Him. We are nothing without God. So yeah,